Hello, everyone. Some time ago, I released
It uses a simple operation to replace the traditional AI cumbersome workflow.
to achieve one-click AI rendering. The middle process and parameter design
Are all completed by the program itself, so that designers don't have to spend energy learning AI,
then
can spend more time and energy on design.
on the design itself. After the video was posted, many netizens have also used it. I also received a lot of praise from others. Some even offered 1 million yuan to buy out my software. I was a little hesitant, and then I checked it online and found
It seems that this is indeed on the market.
the only one currently AI software that can run locally. Then I think it still has a little value. In the end, I refused. I don't know if I will regret it later. Well, this time, I also take this opportunity of the video to reintroduce the software and some of my commercialization ideas. Dear designers, can also give me some advice to see if it's valuable. The original intention of this software, actually, I saw many design friends on the market. Because of AI, they started to learn AI, but they found that during the process, when they learn it by themselves, there were all kinds of errors and needed to update plugins. They couldn't learn anymore. And finally, they spent thousands of yuan on a training course. But after learning, they found that AI had been updated. The things I learned was basically useless in practice. From my point of view, designers should use AI instead of spending to study the underlying principles of AI. This is a complete reversal of priorities. In fact, because designers themselves need to study is too much. So based on this, I think a good AI product should first meet the requirements that everyone can use it. Even if it is, there shouldn't be a complicated or too complex interaction. Complex logic should be implemented within the program. Users only need to know how to use it. So this is also the reason why this software is called Evai, which is everyone AI, which can be made into an AI that everyone can use casually. After my optimization, our software, anyone can basically do it in 3 steps.
Can be transformed from a sketch to a final rendering.
Although its essence is still the same as Canva UI,
But the entire interface and parameters
have been heavily designed. Another important feature, I think
It can better fit the designer's working scenario, which can truly help them improve efficiency.
rather than showing off fancy features.
a bunch of seemingly powerful AI functions. What is really needed by designers? For example, what designers often ask, can this software I retain material rendering in multiple angles consistently, rendering in local areas, or whether it can render in real time.
Of course, I have tried my best to achieve these.
Here should be a triple, like with warm applause.
Finally, a good cook can't cook without rice.
I simply closed the entire design process. I provide the ability. The ability of AI to automatically grab global data. Designers can directly use these materials in order to facilitate everyone's use of large models.
I directly integrated Euler internally.
Which can pull all open source models with one click and support a PI to directly link to all the large models.